Today we are taking you inside an extraordinary property for sale in one of the Tuscany's most breathtaking locations, Crete Senesi. This iconic landscape has inspired some of the world's greatest film directors and is famous not only for its iconic scenario, but also for its prized white truffle. Nestled in southern Tuscany, the Crete Senesi are just 1 hour from Florence, 20 minutes from Siena, and 1 hour from the stunning beaches of Argentario. For wellness enthusiasts, the renowned Adler Spa Resort is just 20 minutes away. And for golf lovers, we are just 30 minutes from Italy's only private golf club, Rosewood Castiglione del Bosco, and only 1 hour from Antignola, 3-time winner of Italy's Best Golf Course award. At the end of the video, I will reveal the price of this stunning property, so stay with us. The property spreads over 2 floors for a total surface of about 750 square meters with 12 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms in total, and is composed by the main villa, a 3-bedroom dependance, 2 independent apartments, each with 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, an infinity pool with a view, a pool house with living area and a fully furnished kitchen, a private lake that provides water for the irrigation, and 2.5 hectares of land, 250 olive trees with extra virgin olive oil production. The property originally was an 18th century farmhouse that has completely renovated by the current owner, an architect in a modern style that blends the modern comfort and the timeless Tuscan charm. The entrance opens into this bright living room, flowing into an open-plan dining area and kitchen, and every space is filled with natural lights thanks to the large windows that frame the stunning surrounding landscape. Upstairs, the villa's living quarter features elegant bedrooms and beautifully finished bathrooms, with refined details such as the exposed wooden beams, the warm terracotta floors, and high-quality fixtures that reflect the property's timeless character. Step outside and you will find a magnificent garden, perfect for outdoor living with breathtaking panoramic views. The pool area is a true highlight. Set against the rolling hills of the Crete Senesi, it offers a peaceful retreat where you can relax, entertain, and soak in the beauty of the Tuscan countryside. This stunning Tuscan villa can be yours for 6.4 million euros and represents the perfect choice for those seeking a second home in the heart of the Tuscan countryside. It is as well the perfect investment in hospitality thanks to the generous size and the multiple separate apartments. Amidst the typically rustic and historic properties of the region, this fully renovated villa shines as an extraordinary exception. A once-in-a-lifetime, we can say, opportunity in the heart of Tuscany. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and to like, and keep chasing your Tuscan dream with us. Bye!